There is a scientist who figured out how to inject a computer into a living brain through a syringe. The thing Elon Musk has been spending billions trying to build, this man solved it at Harvard over a decade ago. And right now, he's building it for China. His name is Charles Lieber, Harvard professor, chair of the entire chemistry department, the most cited nanoscientist alive. This man spent 20 years solving one problem. How do you put electronics inside a brain without the brain rejecting them? And he cracked it. He built circuits so thin, so flexible, that you load them into a syringe like medicine. You inject them into the brain. They unfold on their own, wrap around individual neurons, and the brain doesn't even know that they're there. It treats them like its own tissue. That's the breakthrough every brain-computer company on Earth is still chasing. And Lieber solved it at Harvard a decade ago. But in January 2020, FBI agents walked into his home and arrested him. Not for the research, for lying about payments that he'd taken from China. Harvard stripped his title, convicted, the lab, the funding, the team, all of it, gone. For 4 years, nobody had heard from him. Then, last April, he showed up in Shenzhen. China didn't just hire him, they built him an institute, gave him 2,000 primates for testing, and his top researcher from Harvard followed him there. And 3 months ago, China officially made brain-computer interfaces a national priority. The US government arrested Charles Lieber because they were afraid he was helping China build brain-computer interfaces. And in doing that, they made sure that he would. Follow for more stories like this.